Want to know how to measure the LTV of customers brought in by affiliates? In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to walk you through a straightforward method to calculate that value and why it's crucial for your business. When you're running an affiliate program, knowing the LTV of your affiliate-driven customers helps you understand the true impact of each affiliate and how much you can afford to spend on commissions while still remaining profitable. But how do you measure it accurately? Let's break it down. First, calculate the average revenue per customer. You'll need to look at the total revenue generated by customers referred by affiliates over a specific time period. Divide that revenue by the number of customers who made a purchase. This gives you the average revenue per customer, a key starting point. Next, calculate the average customer lifespan. How long do customers referred by affiliates typically stick around? This can vary, but for a good estimate, you might use your existing customer retention data. For example, if customers stick around for an average of 12 months, that's your customer lifespan. Now multiply the average revenue per customer by the average customer lifespan. This will give you the customer's lifetime value, or LTV, based on affiliate-driven traffic. This is the key number to know, because it tells you how much each affiliate is worth to your bottom line in the long run. But there's a catch. Some affiliates may bring in high-value customers who stay longer, while others might have a quicker turnover. To account for this, segment your affiliates based on performance. Look at which affiliates are bringing in customers with the highest LTV, and adjust your affiliate strategy accordingly. This lets you allocate your budget more effectively, paying higher commissions to affiliates who are bringing in more valuable customers. So, how do you make sure you're measuring LTV correctly? Use software that can automate and track this data for you. The software we'll be using in this video allows you to easily track affiliate performance, revenue, and customer lifespan all in one place. This makes the whole process of calculating LTV for affiliate-driven customers much faster and more accurate. If you want to follow along with the same tools I'm using in this tutorial, I've got a special free trial for you. It's exclusive to viewers of my channel, so be sure to check out the link in the description below. To wrap it up, here's your key takeaway. Calculating LTV for customers brought in by affiliates is a simple yet powerful way to understand the true value of your affiliate program. By knowing both the average revenue per customer and how long they stick around, you can make smarter decisions about your affiliate spending and ensure your program is driving sustainable growth. Quick recap. Calculate the average revenue per customer, figure out the average customer lifespan, then multiply them together to find LTV. And don't forget to use the software I recommended for easier tracking, and grab that exclusive free trial from the link below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.